Hi guys, this is my latest declutter. This is all my small eyeshadow palettes. So everything you see in this frame is my small eyeshadow palettes. There's nothing additional, so it's probably going to be a pretty quick one. If you haven't seen my other declutters yet, I'll leave a link to the playlist in the description bar below because I've done a bunch of stuff already. Alright. Some of these I'm looking at this going, I can be pretty savage, and then I'm taking a closer look and going, ooh, I don't know. I see quite a bit I like here, so let's see. Okay, let's pull out a few things that I know I'm keeping just to get them out of the way. So the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette. This is really quite lovely. There's a lot of good shades in here. A few I'm not a huge fan of, but I like it enough to definitely keep it. So that's staying. The Natasha Denona 5-pen palette. This one is number 10. Love this. That purple in there is stunning, so is that gold. I would never part with this, so that's gonna stay. This LA Colors iLuxe palette. This is the, what's it called again? It's called Fantasize? Mesmerizing. iLuxe Mesmerizing. The shade is Fantasize. Okay, anyways, I love this palette. It's really beautiful, really good quality. And my Anastasia shadows. Okay. These are single shadows put into like a palette, right? So these all pop out. You can put them in Z palettes or whatever. These ones for sure I'm keeping. These ones are like the more foiled ones I really love. I actually popped one out and I put it in my MAC palette. So that's gonna stay. This one I'm a little less like gung-ho about, only because they're all just neutrals that I have elsewhere in my collection, and I never use this. I've used this one time. The only reason I bought this is because these shadows went on clearance, and then there's also a deal when you buy 4, you get an additional discount. It's still working on the clearance price. This whole palette only cost me like 20 bucks, where normally like her shadows are $16 each. So that's why I did it, but you know what? 20 bucks still down the drain because I never use it. So let's get rid of that one. Okay. We just popped our cherry on this declutter. These two City Mini palettes from Maybelline. These don't interest me. They don't excite me. I look at them and I'm bored. I'm not inspired. So that's, if there was ever a reason to get rid of something in a declutter, I think that's it. So I'm just gonna get rid of those. I don't even remember if they're good or not. Like, I only use them maybe once or twice each. Yeah, so those can go. This is gonna stay. This is the Clara Cosmetics Pro Palette number 2. I've got a couple Clara Cosmetics palettes and I love this one. These are really good quality eyeshadows. I bought this at Winners, which is the same as TJ Maxx. And every Clara Cosmetics product I've got has really impressed me. So these I really like, and I'm going to keep that. I love these Milani eyeshadow palettes. These are the Everyday Eyes. This one, oops, sorry. These are the Everyday Eyes. This is Bare Necessities. This one is Earthly Elements. Yeah, Earthly Elements, yes. Okay, anyways, I love these. They're such good quality, but I never reach for them, like ever, because I have all my other eyeshadow palettes to reach for. And even though I would absolutely 100% recommend these to anybody, I just never use them. I'm not 100% ready to let go yet though, because when you do a declutter, you know, that leaves you more room to actually start playing in your makeup again. And if there was anything I would want to play with, it would probably be these. Like, they're so gorgeous. Oh my god, yeah. They're so beautiful. Look, like, they're just the best quality from the drugstore. I'm thinking I should hold on to one, but I'm like debating in my mind which one I should hold on to. You know that thing they say, if you flip a coin, you always wish for one outcome or the other? Well, in my mind, like, I keep going, oh, that orange is so beautiful and you should keep that one, but then my heart is actually tugging me to this more basic one. So I think I'm gonna keep this one and let this one go, surprisingly, but like I said, there's nothing wrong with it at all. It's just I have too much stuff. Okay, I'm gonna finally let this go. This is the Comfort Zone from Wet n Wild. It's the original. They've reformulated it. I don't know if they reformulated it, but they repackaged it. They did all their repackaging. I never use this anyway. Like, I barely ever used it. I only like have referred to it in videos, and that's basically it. So that's gonna go because that never gets used. Naked 2 Basics. I am gonna keep this just because it's a really good like workhorse. As you can see, I actually did put a lot of use into it last year. That is a lot of pan, and these 3 have some good dips going on them. So I'm definitely gonna keep that one. This Vasanti palette. This is the Synchronicity Eyeshadow Trio in Destiny. And these are like holographic. This is a Canadian company. I did not love this when I used it. And I only used it like when I first got it, and then I put it away and I haven't touched it since. That first color there is really pretty. This one is kind of like not very pigmented. But these don't excite me really, so I'm gonna get rid of that, give it to somebody who will love it. I'm ready to get rid of this Physicians Formula one. I like these. They're all glitter, so you need to pair it with something else. But they're quite they're quite lovely. Like when you actually get them on the eyes, they're really quite nice. So I'm gonna get rid of that though. Just again, never use it. Same with this, the CoverGirl Jewels, never use it. When this first came out, I did a video on my channel with it just to kind of show it off. These colors are really pretty. Like, especially these like brighter colors in the middle. They're quite gorgeous, but they don't last throughout the day. So that's really the only reason that I wouldn't really recommend this. They just fade throughout the day and go away, so I'm gonna send that on its way. This is a $1 palette from, I think, Dollar General, or I don't know, the Dollar Tree maybe. Anyways, these are cute colors. Like, they're actually really nice when you put them on, but they fade almost instantly, and they're super powdery, and there's like, I only used this once. I can't remember if it was for a video or whatever, but anyway, never used that since, and I won't. Okay, the Mariah Carey from MAC. This one is called I'm That Chick You Like. This one is called It's Everything. Okay, which one did I buy first? I can't remember. Whichever one I bought first, I used it and I loved it so much that I ran out and bought the other one before it like was discontinued. And since then I've used these off and on, and I don't love them. Like, for example, I think the reason I don't love them is because they're not really complete palettes. Like, you have a really dark shade that actually has glitter in it. Or is that just because I have a swatch on my hand? Hold on. Yeah. Is that glitter in there? Yeah, this has glitter in it. Okay, that's super weird. I never noticed that before. I just feel like they're not complete when you use them. You need to bring in other eyeshadows, but I don't want to get rid of them because of the packaging, because it's Mariah. Pretty much each one of my videos, there's been like one hang up where it's like, I should get rid of this, but I can't because of the packaging, and I'm okay with allowing myself one, like one each time. So this is my one this time. I can't let that go yet. This Essence Roses eyeshadow palette, I really love this. Like, it's so good. These palettes are beautiful. They're gorgeous on. The quality is stellar. There's no real mattes like in these palettes though. It's okay because you can kind of use it. Actually, I think this one might be matte. Yeah, that one is. I can't let this go yet. Like, I was almost ready to, but I haven't used it in a long time though. But I really love it. I think I'm going to keep this for now. And the very last one is this palette from Buxom. This is just a customizable palette. This was another like weird deal on Sephora where there was a glitch in the pricing, and it ended up being, I can't remember, $20 for this for whatever reason. And because you can customize it, what I did was I just picked 6 of the glitteriest metallic shades I could find. Like, I didn't make it a cohesive palette. I just wanted to treat it as singles. And the thing is, I never use them. Like, I don't know, every once in a while I'll pull it into my Shop My Stash, and I'll usually use this purple, which I love. I actually really love it. It's so gorgeous. But I don't really use any of the other ones. Like, they're all pretty, but I never use them. What's this green like? I have greens like that. It's not anything special. I love that purple. I want to like take just that purple out and declutter the rest, but I don't know if that'll work. So it comes out like this. This pops out. You know, I could probably put a magnet on this and put it in a Z palette. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is now getting added to my single eyeshadow collection, and I'm gonna declutter the rest of this, and whoever gets it, they can decide if they want to buy an extra shadow to put in there or not. And now I feel better about that, because really this is the only shade in that whole thing that I actually like, and this is called Patent Leather. It's just a really beautiful glittery metallic purple. Alright, so I just counted. I'm keeping 10, I'm getting rid of 10, and I'm keeping this one little shadow. But that is awesome. Awesome. I feel like I can actually use the stuff I like now. So that's it for this declutter, but I have a lot of other declutters on my channel, so definitely check the link for that. And subscribe if you haven't yet. See, I told you at the beginning, I'm imbibing right now, so yeah, I'm starting to get a little tongue-tied. I hope I don't regret my decisions. Okay, it's only my first beer, it shouldn't be that bad. Drink responsibly, please. Anyways, so definitely check out my future declutters, which I am about to film. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!